Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use roundup function in Excel. Roundup function means, for example, we have taken this value 154.239. So if we want to decrease this to 2 decimal places, Excel should round up the second decimal place. So right here the formula is equal and then round, you can see here is shown roundup. Click on this, first select the number is this, then comma and then number digit. So how many decimal places you want to show after the number. Suppose I am selecting 2 and close the bracket and enter. So you can see it has round up the second value, that is 3 into 4. And if you will again write this formula and go here and delete and write 1 and enter, and you can see it has round up the value to 1 decimal places. So this is how you can use roundup function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.